National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, southwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Boyd, or near Briar, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. This severe thunderstorm will be near New Fairview around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Just in around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time,